Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a Europass CV for free directly from the Europass website. So as you know, Europass CV is a usable CV format for people looking to study or work in Europe. So in this video I will also explain the different section of the Europass CV so you can fill them correctly. So if you want to create a Europass CV, simply search Europass in your browser. CV, then click on this website. Then once you click on the website, click on login to create an account. So if you don't have an account, just click on this create an account, provide your information here, then simply create an account. They will share a login details to you in email address so that you can verify your account. So let me go there. So I'll create a password. So once you are logged in, so you can see these two options. Choose how to start from scratch or start from the Europass CV. So I click on the start from scratch. Then I will start providing the information to create my account and create my CV. Of your qualification. This level of EQF is the European qualification framework. So this level 5 is equivalent to higher school, level 6 bachelor degree, level 7 masters, while level 8 is PhD. So if I want to include my bachelor degree certificate, then I will click on this level 6 and write the name of the university. City. So if you want to add another education section, you can click on this add another experience, then you can add your another education experiences here. Else I will delete this. I will go with only one education. I will click on continue. So the next section is your working experiences. Do you have any working experiences? Yes. So if you want to add another working experiences, you can add here. Then we click on continue. Then the next section is your personal skills. So you can see the skills here like Microsoft Excel, so you add them here. So if any of your skill is not mentioned here, you can search it here. Let me see. So this is how you add your personal skills. Drag them here. You click on create your Europass CV. So once you are here, then click on go to my Europass. And in case you want to add your personal picture, you can click on this section. You add your personal picture. Click on save. Then select this, go to Europass profile. So in case you want to add your profile summary, or so you click on this edit. You can see a section here, profile summary. So you add your profile summary. So you add your profile summary like this, something like this. I'm just copying something and keeping it here. So you can add like then click on save. Europass. You can then click on this, create and export your CV. And you can see different template. You can choose the one you want. Use a standard template. Let me go with this. Start from my profile. So you can see your CV. You can choose the template if you wish. So I will go with next. No thanks. So you can see different templates. So you can choose the one you want. In case you can see the CV here. So go with next. So you can write the name of your CV. You can then click on download my Europass. So as you can see, this is how to create a Europass CV. So thank you so much for watching this video until then. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.